Are you British, mate? No. Where you from? Oh, know where I'm from? I'm from a place where the electricity bill that you receive will shock you. Welcome to my island, Jamaica, West Indies. You know, I'm also from a place where a taxi man tell you one already and nobody is in the vehicle. Yeah. There you go, man. This is the during section still. So, it's just say, just seal him up, you know, and let's unload him. But sit on the ground there. No man, he want them have to hang over still. Yeah man, well after the cutting down, comes the cutting up, you know. Yeah, this will take time. A piece of limb come over next door, so we just clean it up. You see me? Let the place spick and span and nice, you know. That's the way we do it. Yeah. And the world star there, seen that? Don't know. Yeah man, we'll stockpile them up there, so you know. Still going. But as you know, from nothing to something, you know. And every youth just keep on trying, no matter where you're there in life, just keep on trying and never give up, you see it. Yeah man, that's me I tell you. From humble beginnings to me, you know. Just try and invest as wise as we possibly can, you know. Give you most high thanks, you see it? Out. There you go. That's the climax to the story. Big up to each and every country across the world, man. Much respect. This is just how I show you how I do things, you know? Much respect.